Hello, my friend. I'd like to show you a simple process that literally turns your family, friends, and colleagues into becoming your lifelong, hot-hungry affiliate partners and loyal customers. You'll get to recruit literally hundreds, even thousands of targeted prospects and leads with our three-step simple process. You'll earn a consistent and reliable monthly income from commissions paid out on hundreds of high-quality, life-changing products and services. You'll get paid on the next 1.1 million people who follow you. You'll get a free bonus platform to promote, showcase, and share your personal products and services. It's totally free. It's 100% risk-free, and it's a three-step simple process. In fact, this brand new system of getting targeted traffic, making money online, and promoting your products and services is literally sending shockwaves all over the internet. This brand new way of doing business online is called PiFormula. PiFormula is a free online social network that combines the power of network marketing, affiliate marketing, and online marketing in a simple, risk-free, and highly effective way. With this one-of-a-kind success system, you can grow your existing business or build a brand new business from scratch using our free viral platform and our simple wealth-building turnkey system. In fact, PiFormula will help you earn more income, build you better relationships, and give you more confidence, success, focus, motivation, enthusiasm, self-esteem, satisfaction, and peace of mind. PiFormula is the perfect business opportunity if you're an online marketer, an affiliate marketer, a work-from-home mom or dad, a small business owner, a business opportunity seeker, anyone looking to make a stable monthly income, and anyone with an existing business looking for a better way to promote, showcase, and share their products and services. And here's the thing, all you need is a computer and access to the internet. You don't have to quit your present job, and you can spend as little as 5 to 10 hours per week doing this business. That means even the busiest executive can join and be successful. In terms of viral marketing, you'll get access to more than 90 different social share buttons to spread your message all across the internet. Some of the networks include sites like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Google, Google+, LinkedIn, Delicious, Dig, FriendFeed, MySpace, Reddit, and much, much more. Likewise, you can use our Find a Friend feature to import your friends from Facebook, Twitter, Gmail, and Yahoo to join your PiFormula business. And to expand your marketing effort to your personal website with our Analytic tool. You'll get to analyze your visitors' activities in real time on your website of the products and services you pin to PiFormula. You can graphically follow who pins to your products and services, the number of people who like your products and services, which of your products and services that are being pinned in real time over a 30-day period, and which of your products and services are the most popular so you can market your business much more effectively. And with our wealth-building turnkey system, you'll get to earn monthly commissions via PayPal on the next 1.1 million affiliate partners who follow you. That means you'll get to leverage the time, the energy, the effort, the expertise, and the buying power of all the people who join your affiliate team. You and your team members can shop our product network, which lists literally hundreds of high-quality, life-changing wellness, health, and beauty products that are sold in more than 200 countries worldwide, from reputable companies such as Advocare, Mary Kay, Morinda, Nature's Sunshine, and Organo Gold. So here is the bottom line. When you join our free network and repeat our three-step simple process, you'll gain the freedom, the growth, the independence, the financial wealth, and the prosperity you and your family deserve in order to take control of your destiny. So don't delay. Don't wait. Get started right away.